Tuwang-tuwa mga kababayan si US President Donald Trump. Matagumpay kasi mga kababayan na na-rescue yung piloto ng fighter jet ng Amerika na pinabagsak ng Iranian forces. Talagang ginagabayan ng ating Panginoon ang Amerika. Napakaganda yung mensahe ni President Donald Trump para sa Holy Week and Easter Sunday. Yan sabi ni Trump, mga kababayan. To be a great nation, you must have a religion and you must have God. Di ba, mga kababayan? And this time, ito yung post ni Donald Trump announcing the successful rescue ng piloto. Breaking news yan, mga kababayan, sa lahat ng mga national dailies and television sa Amerika. Fox News, BBC, CNN. So sabi dyan, from President Donald J. Trump, we got him. My fellow Americans, over the past several hours, the United States military pulled off one of the most daring search and rescue operations in U.S. history for one of our incredible crew members, officers, who also happens to be a highly respected colonel, and who I am thrilled to let you know is now safe and sound. Sabi mga kababayan ni Donald Trump. Sabi niya, mga kababayan, this brave warrior was behind enemy lines in the treacherous mountains of Iran, being hunted down by our enemies. We're getting closer and closer by the hour, but was never truly alone because his commander-in-chief, Secretary of War, Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of his Staff, and fellow warfighters were monitoring his location 24 hours a day and diligently planning for his rescue. At my direction, the U.S. military sent dozens of aircraft armed with the most lethal weapons in the world to retrieve him. He sustained injuries, but he will be just fine. This miraculous search and rescue operation comes in addition to a successful rescue of another brave pilot, sabi mga kababayan ni Trump. Yesterday, we did not confirm because we did not want to jeopardize our second rescue operation. This is the first time in military memory that 2 U.S. pilots have been rescued separately deep in enemy territory. We will never leave an American war firefighter behind. The fact that we were able to pull off both these operations without a single American killed or even wounded just proves once again that we have achieved overwhelming air dominance and superiority over the Iranian skies. This is a moment that all Americans, Republican, Democrat, and everyone else should be proud of and united around. We truly have the best, most professional and lethal military in the history of the world. God bless America, God bless our troops, and happy Easter to all. Yan yung naging mensahe mga kababayan ni US President Donald Trump. So lagi niyang kasama mga kababayan yung ating Panginoon. Lagi niyang binabanggit. Lagi nang ino-honor mga kababayan ang ating Panginoong Diyos Ama sa langit. Yan ang pagkakaiba ni Trump sa ibang mga American presidents and leaders of the world. Bukang bibig niya ang pangalan ng ating Panginoong Diyos. O di ba? Mga kababayan, tama yung nasa Bible, if God is with us, who can be against us? At sabi natin mga kababayan, America is being protected by God kasi binalik ni Trump ang pagbabasa at pag-aaral and prayers in the White House mismo. Dati wala yan dyan na panapanalangin. Wala nang acknowledgement sa Diyos ang Amerika. Lalo na yung panahon ng mga Democrats, mga kababayan. By this time, with Trump, bumalik po ang Bible study, reading of Bibles, and prayers mismo sa White House. Sabi nga natin, if God is with us, who can be against us? At sabi ni Trump mismo sa kanyang Easter Sunday message, to be a great nation, you must have a religion and you must have God. Resurrection of faith, sabi po ni Trump. President Trump says religion is growing again in our country for the first time in decades as he delivers an Easter message to Americans. This Easter, sabi po niya, millions of Christians all over the world, the globe, will be reminded that because of what Jesus did on the cross, all of us can live every day with hope in God's promise, knowing that in the end, evil and wickedness will not prevail, sabi po niya. Kita niyo ang pagkakaiba ng isang leader na may Diyos. Sabi sa Job 12:23 to 24, mga kababayan, He makes nations great and destroys them. He enlarges nations and disperses them. He deprives the leaders of the earth of their reason. He makes them wander in a trackless waste. Ang ating Panginoon kasi po, may sovereignty siya over nations. God is depicted as the ultimate power responsible for the rise, expansion, and destruction of nations. God can strip leaders of their understanding, reason, and wisdom, leaving them confused and directionless. So nakita ninyo kung bakit ngayon ganito kalakas yung Amerika? Sabi nga natin, nasa golden age ngayon ang Amerika. And after more than 50 years, nakabalik yung Amerika sa sa buwan, yung Artemis, mga kababayan. Artemis to, abang nakikipagira si Trump. Walang problema sa kanya na ituloy, mga kababayan, yung NASA mission to the moon. At ito ngayon yung latest ng ABC News. President Trump posts video of massive strike saying the attack killed many of Iran's military leaders. Sa report ng ABC News, President Trump posted on video to social media on Saturday posted a video to social media appearing to show what he called a massive strike on Tehran, Iran, with the president saying the attack terminated many of Iran's military leaders. Many of Iran's military leaders who have led them poorly and unwisely are terminated, along with much else with this massive strike, Tehran. At una na, mga kababayan, si Trump ni-remind na paubos na, 48 hours na lang yung natitira. At ngayon, mga 40 hours or less na lang yung natitira para makipag-deal yung Iran sa Amerika. Pag hindi, all hell will break loose, mga kababayan, against Iran. At yung unang threat ni Trump is to send back Iran to the Stone Ages po. So ito yung ultimate and final warning ni Trump laban po sa Iran. Pero matigas pa rin yung Iran, mga kababayan. Ito yung sabi dito sa balita ng Billionaire News. Iran says several enemy aircraft destroyed during US pilot rescue mission. During a joint operation, aerospace, ground force, popular units, and police command, enemy aircraft were destroyed. The group said after Iran's police command announced an American C-130 plane had been downed in the south of Isfahan. The spokesperson of Qatam Al-Anbiya Central Headquarters, the Unified Command of the Iranian in armed forces said the downed aircraft included a C-130 military transport plane as well as the Black Hawk helicopters. Pero si Trump walang binanggit na ganyan. Basta naging successful yung rescue operation, yun ang announcement ngayon po ni Donald Trump. So maraming mga netizens ang natuwa. Sabi ni Maggie Taberner, "Thank you Lord. Galing nila parang sa movie." Julius Benavides, "The real behind enemy line." Sabi ng isa pa, few years, this will be a movie. Sabi ni Junard Magdula Aligado, Extraction 3. Sabi ni Arvin Solana Gascar, Top Gun Maverick in real life scenario. Sabi ni Renji, God bless United States. Sabi ni Aminuddin, may sequel na ang Behind Enemy Lines movie, The Uncle Sam Rescue Mission. Jessica Noyway, God bless you US soldiers. Wow, it's like a movie. Sabi ni Ferdinand Viterbo, God bless to all troops risking their lives for the free world. God bless you, USA. Marami yung nagtawa kasi kagilagilalas ang daring operations na ginawa ng Amerika. So that is a display, mga kababayan, of military superiority unmatched by any nation in the world. God bless America.